Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook braised chicken legs with beer and soy sauce. Trust me, if you cook chicken like this, it will taste amazing. So now let's start cooking. We first need to boil some water. Put the chicken legs into the pan while the water is still cold. Add some cooking wine. Cooking wine will help to make the chicken legs smell better. When the water boils, we can get the chicken legs out from the pan. Now prepare a pot. Add some cooking oil to it. Cut some scallion and add it into the pot. Then we can put the chicken legs onto the scallion. We also need some ginger, some star anise, some crystal sugar. For the sauce, we need half a teaspoon of salt, 2 spoons of soy sauce, 1 spoon of dark soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, some sugar, half can of beer, and some water. Mix well and pour the sauce into the pot. Cover the pot and use medium heat to cook for around 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, the sauce will become very thick. We can turn off the heat and get the chicken legs out from the pot. In the end, chop some scallion and add onto the top. It is ready. This is today's cooking recipe. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I will see you guys soon.